Taylor? Oh, hey, baby. Florida Hank here. Coming to you live, poolside, Flagler Beach. I'm flexing it up, tanning it up, looking like a Sicilian god. This is exactly why you're in the situation you're in right now, isn't it? You could keep your hands off this. Trying to get my goodies. Always trying to get my DNA. I know. You're only human. Anyways, got something to tell you. Better yet, I'm gonna have your parents and your friends tell you. Hi, Tyler.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Taylor.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations! Hey, congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Taylor.
Congratulations!
Yours is the first face that I saw. I think I was blind before I met you. But
I hope you're not too disappointed that you're not getting a girl. I think it's going to be awesome. I love you more than life. We can't wait to see you guys again. And I just sincerely hope that this one has a smaller head than Zane. I love you, Tot.
We are so excited for you guys. We love you so much, and we cannot wait to spoil nugget number 3. We love you.
Yeah. Number 3 on the way.
remember the times that you all night.
Love you guys and hope to see you soon.
Just to meet me.
Happy for you guys. We really need to arrange some time to catch up. Miss you guys so much. Love you.
As if you.
Congratulations, you guys. We love and miss you, and good luck, Taylor, with 3 boys. Sending love from Kuwait.
I'm glad I didn't die before I
Taylor, y'all, I'm so excited for you guys. Another little Collins baby boy. You were clearly intended to be a boy mommy, and I just think that God decided we need another sweet, loving, caring, upstanding gentleman in the world, and you are great at raising them. So I cannot wait to meet nugget number 3. Oh my gosh, and we're just so thrilled for y'all. So we love you and miss you so much. Mwah.
Besides, maybe this time it's different. I mean, I really think you like me.